Right, so this is a video. I was just messing around with some nuts and bolts and household vinegar to see how good it is at getting rust off. As you can see, it's not that good. Oh, by the way, here's a puppy. Alright, that's enough. Puppy, gone. Right, so yeah, just playing around with it really. Got this bar as well, but it hasn't really done a lot. So I thought I'd drain this and try this, citric acid. So I'm not sure how much I need to use in here, but we'll give it a go and put some warm water in here and then mix in some of this and just see if we get anything appearing. So yeah, let's get rid of that old one and set up the new one. Right, so we are back and we've just put some water in here. If you have got a puppy, keep them away. So we just got some warm water, emptied that rubbish out, that other stuff. We've got some zinc galvanizing spray. So what we're going to do is take that off. That there. This is one of those sealing packets that's really horrible and cheap and doesn't. So here we go. Right, let's, like I said, I don't know how much I should put in. 1, 2, 3. I'll put 3 in. Right, so certainly smells bad. Okay, have we got any reaction going on? Sure you can see anything here, but there doesn't seem to be a whole lot going on. I might put another one in. Right, that is gonna be it. 4 spoons. Right, what we'll do, we're gonna leave this for probably a day and we'll come back to it tomorrow. Right, I thought I'd just come back to this. We do seem to be having some kind of reaction slowly going on. Let's have a look. Yeah. The bulb seems to be reacting as well. But yeah, that's fizzing quite nicely, isn't it, that one? Right, let's see what tomorrow brings.